How to change your username on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can very easily change your username on Twitter. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to make sure you have downloaded and updated the Twitter app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Twitter, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Twitter app. Once you've updated Twitter, I'm going to go ahead and then simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So if you're not logged in, first of all, simply log into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. You have a bunch of different recommended tweets and so on. In order to change our username, on the top left hand side you can see a profile icon. All you have to do is simply tap on your profile picture. As you tap on your profile picture, you'll be able to see a list of different options, and at the bottom of the screen you'll find a section which says settings and privacy. So go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Over here at the very top, you want to go ahead and simply select the option which says your account. So tap on your account, and again at the very top you have the option which says account information. So go ahead and tap on account information, and right at the top you can see the section which says username. So all you have to do in order to change a username is to simply tap on the username button, and you could simply go ahead and enter the new username which you want to use, and then if the username is available it will ask you to make the required changes, as you can see in this case. Once you've done so, at the bottom of the screen simply tap on the done button once you've selected your username, and you can see it says your new username will be successfully saved if it's not the same. This is the way on how you can change your username on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.